Good evening. I'm Professor Rupal Shukla. Today, I'm going to discuss the topic related to Java Swing introductions. Java Swing is a Java Foundation class library and a Java window toolkit extension. Swing has many more features than AWT, including new component, expanded component features, and excellent event handling with drag and drop support. Java Swing is a straightforward framework to work with. The Java Foundation classes include a Java Swing is a suitable for developing lightweight desktop applications because it is used to create window-based applications. Java Swing is based on abstract windowing toolkit API that is completely written in Java. Java Swing provide lightweight platform agnostic component, make it ideal for designing and developing desktop applications. Features of Java Swing. Features of Java Swing are as follow. It is a platform independent look and feel pluggable architecture of Swing is MVC. Component are lighting weight, JTable, JTape, J scroll pen, and other advanced features are available because Java is the platform independent language that run on any client machine and look and feel of a platform specific operating systems have no bearing on an application GUI built with Swing component. Lightweight component means AWT support lightweight component development starting with JDK Java Development Toolkit 1.1 versions. A component must not rely on non-Java system classes to be considered lightweight. The look and feel classes in Java help Swing component have their view. Pluggables, the feel and look. These features allow user to change the appearance of Swing component without having to restart the applications. The Java Swing library allow component to have the same look and feel across all platform regardless of where the program is running. The Swing library provide an API that allow for complete control over the look and feel of an application's GUI. A wide variety of new components such as table, tree, sliders, progress bar, and internal framework and text component. Swing component contains support for replacing their insert with an arbitrary number of concentric border. Java Swing packages, Java X Swing contain the core Swing component and containers such as JFrames, JPanels, JButton, and JLabel. JX Swing events provide classes and interfaces more handling event generated by Swing component. Java X Swing border contain classes for creating and managing border around the Swing component. Java X Swing table provide classes for creating and managing tables, including JTables and table models. Java X Swing includes classes for creating and managing hierarchical data structures such as JTree. Component of Swing classes is JFrame, which is represent to top level window with standard decorations such as title bar and borders. JPanel, a container used for grouping and organizing other component. JButton, a push button that can trigger actions when clicked. JLabel, display a short string or an image icon. JText field allow user input of a single line of text. JText area allow user input of multiple lines of text. JText box, a J checkbox, a checkbox that may be selected or deselected. J radio button, a radio button that is part of buttons group where only one button can be selected at a time. J combo box, a drop downs list that allow user to select one item from a list. J menu bar, a menu bar that hold menus such as J menu for our organizing menu items. Advantages of Java Swing is a platform independence, which is provide look and feel across different platforms since it is written in Java. Rich set of components offer a wide range of sophisticated and customizable user interface component like tables, tree, tab, pens. Pluggable look and feel allow features of Java developer to change the appearance of application easily using the different look and feel themes. Extensibility support customizations and extension of existing component to create complex and highly specialized user interface. Event handling provide a robust event handling models through the JavaX event package, enabling fine-grained control over user interactions. Double buffering reduces flickers and improves rendering performance with built-in double buffering support. Disadvantages of Java Swing is perform overhead. Java Swing component can be slower compared to native component due to their abstraction layers and lightweight nature. Complexity can be complex to use and configure, especially for developer unfamiliar with an extensive API and event handling. Memory uses Swing applications may consume some more memory compared to AWT or native applications due to the overhead of Swing component hierarchy look and feel consistency. Although Swing provide a consistent look and feel, it might not always perfectly mimic the native appearance of component on different platform. Threading issue require more carefully management of the event dispatch thread to avoid concurrency issue and ensure thread safety in GUI updates. Now, conclude this topic. Swing in Java can be imported from Java X Swing package. Swing component are platform independent. Using Swing, building optimized GUI applications is easy. Swing has many constructors such as JFrame, JPanel, JLabel, JTextbox, JPens, JComboBox, etc. Swing allow us to create tech, diverse desktop applications such as IP Founder, Calculator, URL, source generators, word counter, folder explorer, Notepad, tic-tac-toe game, etc. For instance, LimeWire is created using Java Swing. Thank you.